Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix Roblox. Your Windows 7 system is too outdated. Please install KB4534310. Okay? So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to make sure that you know the system type of your device. So to do that, just go ahead and search for system information, and you should see the system type of your device. Okay, so as you can see, I have the X64. So let's just go ahead and exit this tab and search for Microsoft Update Catalog. So you want to click on the first link, and here at the search bar you want to search the KB4534310. Okay, so now, once you've searched that, you want to make sure that you select and download the appropriate version for your system. Okay, so here, if you have the X32, just go ahead and select the version with x86, because x86 is equals to x32, and if your device have the x64, just go ahead and click on the x64 based systems. Okay, so now what you need to do is to just go ahead and download the version. So I'm just gonna choose this one. So download. Okay, so just go ahead and download this one. So I'll be back once this is downloaded on my device. Okay, and by the way, this is the version that I will be downloading. So the x64 and the products is Windows 7. So if you have the x32, click on the Windows 7 and download this. Okay, so let me just go ahead and download this. So now once this downloaded, you want to double click on that. Okay, so by the way, the installation may take a while, so you just need to wait for it until it is done down installing. Okay, so once it is done installing, you just need to follow the instruction to begin the installation process. Okay, so after that, you may be required to restart your device after the installation, and once you've restart your device, what you need to do is to verify that the update is successfully installed on your device. Okay, so to do that, you want to search for the control panel, click on programs right here, and I want you to click on programs and features, and here you should see all of the installed programs on your device. Okay, so now just go ahead and look for KB4534310 on this list. Okay, so if you see that on this list, that means that it is successfully installed on your device. So what you need to do is to just go ahead and try to open your Roblox, and that should fix your problem. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!